from the context. Come on, hospital. Hospital is an institution where service is given, where service is given and service is taken. Who is giving service? Who is giving service?
Doctor.
Doctor. Yeah. Doctor. Who is taking service?
Patient.
Patient. If these two persons, if these two type of persons are relating to the institution, to the hospital, this is not usual. Did you understand? If these two persons, these two types of persons relate to hospital, this is not usual. The doctor is going to hospital. You see, the doctor.
Sir, moral meaning guda kuha itla sir.
Yeah. Okay, let us discuss. The doctor is going to hospital. The doctor is going to hospital. The doctor is going to hospital. Listen carefully. But the doctor's brother, but the doctor's wife is going to the hospital. Is going to the hospital.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, एगुड़ाक आउथरे लखु.
Yeah. You see, I'm going to tell you the ill man. Oh, come on. The ill man, the man is ill. The man is ill. The man is ill. Okay. I went to the hospital. I went to hospital to see my friend. Slight change. I went to meet hospital to meet my friend. I went to hospital to meet my friend. In hospital. Can you tell me in which case this is used?
First case.
I went to dash hospital to meet my friend.
Sir, do lagi.
Here you see, I went to hospital to meet my friend. Yeah. Here I went to hospital to meet my friend in hospital. Can you tell me in which case this is used, in which case this is not used?
सर सेकंड केस रे दीडे लागियो.
First case re di lagibo.
First case, I went to the hospital. Here hospital refers to I. I is not a doctor or patient, so this is used. But in second case, I went to meet I went to meet my friend in dash hospital. Come on. Here I went to the hospital. Here the hospital refers to I. Here I is not a patient,
Doctor.
I is not a doctor. But here I went to meet my friend who is in hospital. Who is in hospital? If you, yeah. Here my friend refers to hospital. Who is in hospital? If you tell me I am in hospital for 6 months, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
You are the patient.
He is a patient. He is a patient. Here my friend is a patient. Here my friend is a patient. Here my friend is a patient. So hospital refer to my friend. So no article is used before second hospital. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
like a student goes to, just like I like to, shall I delete this one?
To school.
Yeah. If you think about prison, you say the jailer, you see, what a peculiar. The jailer goes to dash jail. The culprit is going to jail. The culprit's mother, culprit's wife is going to jail. Yeah, come on.
Third case tare di lagibo.
Yeah?
Third case tare di lagibo.
Yeah. Because here jail refers to jailer. Oh, students, you know very well, the man who teach is a teacher. The man who work is a worker. But here you mark jailer. The man who is in jail is jailer.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, it is one exception. Yeah, ER, not O. If you bar plus ER, bar plus ER is a doer. Work, ER, worker. Teach, ER, teacher. Labor plus ER, laborer. You know, do plus ER, doer. But you don't think jailer, the person who is in the jail, who is the jailer?
Is a
Jailor. Okay? But you see,
Yes, sir.
yeah, bar plus ER is a doer, it is noun. If you add ER with bar, that is noun. You know, carpenter, teacher, carpenter, teacher, worker, laborer. If you add ER plus bar, that is noun, and this noun does this type of work. The teacher teach. The teacher teach. The cheater cheats. The worker works. The facilitator gives facilities. Okay, this is another. Okay, the jailer goes to jail. Culprit is going to jail to get the punishment. What is the really? Jail is a place where punishment is given and punishment is taken. So jailer is giving punishment, culprit is getting punishment.
Honest.
But his wife
is
is going to see the culprit.
Going to see.
Not taking nor giving. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Students, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oi. Bandana is in C. Bandana, tell me. Bandana is in C. Bandana is in C. The fisherman is in C. The fisherman
first case रे D
is
ଲାଗିବ
fisherman is in C.
First ରେ D ଲାଗିବ।
D ଲାଗିବ, second ରେ
first ରେ D ଲାଗିବ second ରେ blank ରହିବ
Why?
Sir, the
because C is
fisherman
related to fisherman
Bandana is in C. I don't know who is Bandana. Really, he is a downtrodden cow or Jodi or I don't know. Really, Bandana is a person who has no connection with sea. Yeah, he went to, but he is going to the sea to visit, to enjoy the sea. But fisherman has connection with the sea. Fisherman goes to sea to fish. Fisherman is going to sea to catch the fish. Catch the fish.
fish
Yeah. Fisherman has connection with sea. Understood? If you go to, there are some, nowadays, most of the students are in dilemma what to do, what to take, what to purchase, what to market. If you are chartering girl, the chartering girl is going to market. The businessman is in market. Come on. The chartering girl is going to market to purchase. You say to purchase something. To purchase the dress.
କୋଡରେ ହେଲେ D ଲାଗିବ।
Huh? Come on.
ସେ ଦିଟା ଯା blank ରହିବ।
Dita go?
blank ରହିବ।
Both are blank.
first ରେ D ଲାଗିବ
Both are blank. Because
Yes, sir.
is a customer, chartering girl is a customer who is completely dilemma, who is completely fixed, what to buy, what to wear, what to put on, how to go to college. The college has already sent the notice to come as soon as possible. So most of the students are worried.
sir 49
Most of the students are worried what to take. Businessman has relation with market. So both are
blank
blank. Now come to one.
सर
Come on.
सर आप
Huh?
हेलो सर सर आपण जो पूर्वरु गोटे हॉस्पिटल रो एग्जांपल टा देथिले सर सेठ रिलेशन टा का सहित केमति रहला सर आउथरे टी कह देबेनी
Yeah. Watch.
सर आप पूर्वरु आपण हॉस्पिटल को नै की गोटे एग्जांपल टा देथिले
You wait that when you come to college, you will ask me that the chapter is over. I am going to complete as soon as possible today. If you have any doubt, you may ask me later. Huh? Okay, ma.
यस सर
Yeah. The officer, come on. The officer is going to, the officer goes to office. Officer goes to office at 9 a.m. The Rama is going to, Mr. John is going to office, to meet the officer. Come on.
so ଦିଟା ଯା
सर दी
blank
लागिबनी
ସେ ଦିଟା
दीडा जा
blank
खाली
ରହିବ।
रहबो
ଦିଟା ଯା blank ରହିବ
Oh, students, Now you failed. Office is a place, it has no moral meaning, so to say. Office is a place where file is kept. Office is a place where file is your communicator.
सर त्याला दीड हजार
No service. Both in office cannot be written without the mark. Office cannot be written without the. This is the only exception. Office is a place where, what is office? Office is a place where files are kept. So it has no service. Office does not give any service. It transforms, it sends the letters to different places. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Office cannot, one thing, office cannot be used. Office cannot be used without the. This is the only exception. Please note that office cannot be used in the same way without the. Office always takes your mark. Office always takes. Office cannot be written, cannot be used without the. Without the. Is very important.